Hello student, welcome back to our computer class. Okay, so we are going to learn a chapter number 2, computer its part. Chapter number 2, computer its part. We are going to see a part 2. The remaining part we are going to learn in this chapter. So before we will go further, we will revise what we have learned in our previous class. We have learned about monitors. So monitors look like TV. It will display all the things that you can do on computer, like playing cartoons, drawing, words, etc. We can see. Then next we have also learned about the keyboard. So keyboard, it is used to type the words, numbers. Okay, this keyboard have many buttons on it. So these things we have learned in our previous class. Now we are going to see more about the computer parts. Now we are going to see the next part. So the next part is CPU. So CPU stand for Central Processing Unit. CPU stand for Central Processing Unit, that is CENTRAL. Central Processing, PROCESSING, Processing Unit, UNIT, Unit. It is also called brain of computer. Like human being, there is a brain who will handle all the tasks of a body. Okay, complete a different task of a body, like eating, writing, thinking, seeing, listening. Who will do this? Our human brain will do. So in computer is also such a brain. Okay, so it is that brain is called CPU. Like human being, computer is also have a brain called CPU. So what this CPU will do? This CPU connects all the parts of the computer, right? Like our brain will do. It will connect all the parts of our body. Yes, when you hungry, your brain will tell you that you get hungry, now eat. Okay, when you want to write, your brain will tell you now you have to write, now you have to listen, now you have to watch. The same way this CPU will do for the computer. So it will connect all the parts of the computer and help in completing them the different tasks, help them to completing a different tasks, whether it is typing, okay, writing, or we can say searching, okay, drawing, whatever we will say to them, the CPU will control it. Okay, so it control all the parts of the computer. So this CPU will control all the parts of the computer. The power button on the CPU is used to turn the computer on. So when we want to turn on the computer, there is a power button on the CPU. So when you push that button, our computer will start. Okay, so this is the CPU. Got it now? Yes. Now the next is mouse. So this is a mouse. Don't compare this mouse with we can see at our home. Okay, that mouse, that house, that we see a mouse in our house will eat the food and spoil the things. Okay, so why it is called a mouse? Because it look like a mouse. Okay, see there, this mouse is also having a tail like our mouse. Yes, and it is also a small one, that's why it is called a mouse. This device is small one, that's why it's called a mouse. Okay, so this is a mouse. So mouse has two button, mouse has two button and a scroll wheel. So in the picture you can see there is a mouse. Okay, in that there is a button, left mouse button and right mouse button. Okay, so the mouse have two button, left mouse button and right mouse button, and also a scroll wheel, also a scroll wheel. It is, this mouse is a pointing device. Okay, so this mouse is a pointing device attached to the computer. So this mouse will use up as a pointing device. It will point on your screen and it is attached to your computer. See, this mouse is also look like our real mouse. Yes, it looks like our real mouse with a long tail. It also have a long tail and quickly move on the screen and move quickly on the screen. Okay, so see the mouse. Okay, so it helps to draw. What this mouse, for what purpose this mouse is used? So this mouse is used, it will use to draw, paint and play games. So it is used to draw, paint and play the game. It is used to point and select item on the screen. So there are some icons on your screens. Okay, so to point it and to select it, this mouse is used. Okay, got it? What is mouse? For what purpose? This mouse is used to point out. Okay, to point and select any items. For this purpose, to play the games. Okay, it is nothing but a pointing device. Got it this? Yes. Okay, now we are going to see the additional devices. So apart from the four main part, that is monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse, okay, there are some other devices connected to the computer. There are some other devices connected to the computer called additional devices. This additional devices also known as secondary part of computer. So which that devices are, we are going to see. Printer and speakers. So these two devices, printer and speaker, is an additional devices. Now we are going to see one by one. So printer. So this is a printer. So this printer helps you to take your work on the paper. It is used to print on the paper. Printer is used to print on the paper. It means the printer prints the same work that shown on the monitor on the paper. Okay, whatever it will display on a monitor, whatever the work display on a monitor, this printer will print that work. Whether it is a text, whether it is a picture, whether it is an image, it is a drawing, okay, it will print on a paper. So whatever is display on the monitor, it prints on paper. Now only I have told you that whether it is a cartoon, whether it is a picture, drawing, text, images, that all will be print on the paper with the help of this printer. Got it, printer now? Yes. Okay, now next we are going to see the speaker. All of you know the speaker? Yes, this is a speaker. Where you have seen it? You have seen it most oftenly in weddings. Okay, there you can hear the loud music with the help of this speaker. DJ, all of you know na DJ? Yes, so they can play a song on a high volume on this speaker. Okay, so what purpose this speaker is used? So this speaker is used to listen the music, So speaker is used to listen to recorded songs, voice, speech and sound in a computer. So this speaker is used to listen to speech and other sound from the computer. Okay, when you want to hear any song in a loud voice, what you do? You increase the volume of a speaker. Okay, with the help of this speaker you can listen to songs. Okay, got this speaker? Yes. Okay, so in this chapter we have learned the four main parts of computer, that is monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. We also learn about the additional parts, that is additional device, that is printer and speaker. So all these things we have learned in this chapter. Now we are going to meet in next class with new chapter. Till then you have to revise all the things that we have learned in this chapter. Till then, take care. Thank you.